We have given set A and has an element from 1 to 15. The smallest number is 1, the largest is 15, and we have to determine the true value of a statement. This symbol means for all x's. So let's write this. This means for all x's. So from all x's from this set, this inequality must be true because we have this symbol for all x's. So let's check. When we will take x1 equal 1, we will have 1 plus 4 is equal 5 is less than 9. And now when we choose the largest number, for example, x2 is equal 15, we will have 15 plus 4 is equal 19. If 19 is less or equal 9, no, it's not true. Because this quantificator means that this statement must be true for all x's, and we found example for x equals 15. This inequality is not true. It means that our statement is not true, so it's false. When we have this quantificator, it means that this statement must be true for all x's from this set. It's not true because we found that for x equals 15, this inequality isn't true. It means our statement is false. This is my solution.